All right, so we just finished tracing the car. I already deleted the blueprint, but you probably want to do that, and the person. First thing you want to do is triple click on this piece and make it a group. I've created this inference box or reference box so we can lock the rotate tool. So we want to do that now and lock it on red by holding shift. Then click the bottom of the car and the top of the car. This will rotate and should snap on blue axes. This is wrong. This is right. Once you have that moved properly,
How you doing, sir?
I'm in the middle of making a movie here. So
Can I watch?
disappear.
Can I watch?
Disappear, please.
I can't watch.
You now need to explode this piece. So right click, choose explode. Now we're going to select this view and extrude up. Then select, make sure that's higher than that piece. Select this view and extrude through. This piece is in the way, so I'm going to triple click, make it a group, and move it. You want to be viewing the top so you can easily select both and all of these segments. Right click, choose intersect faces with model, and then start deleting. Why are your friends messing up my movie that I'm making over here? Really? Oh, once you delete, make sure that you check and make sure there's no mistakes. So now we're going to go back to the other side here. Delete that. Get this view. Delete that. This is a mistake, so undo. That worked out fine. Delete that. Hey, buddy. Okay, so that's the piece that we want. The last thing we have to do is the side view. First, you have to determine which side is going to be on the outside of the car, because we're going to duplicate this piece. This is what we want on the outside. This is going to be the inside. So the flat portion should line up with this. This piece has to be rotated twice. The first one is going to be on blue axis. So it's already locked on blue. Click here and snap to on red axis. To line this up with the car easily, I would draw a line from the bottom of the car out along this axis. And then we're going to move this piece to here. Now we're almost done, but we have to flip this up. It's going to be flipped up on green axis. So rotate tool, lock it on green by holding shift. Click the bottom, then the top, and try to have it snap on blue axis. We can get rid of that line now, and you have to explode this. We're going to drag that through. I did not make that tall enough, so I'm going to chop off some of my car. I'm not too worried about that. So go back up to this view, select all, right click, intersect faces with model, and then start deleting. The piece that you want is inside both of these pieces. So I'm going to hit that. That worked out good. Looks pretty good. This has to go away. Checking to make sure it's the right way. That's a mistake.
But you actually totally called that.
Okay, there's half the car. What you do now is paint and decorate. Once you have the car painted and decorated, you're going to duplicate it. I'm not going to decorate this right now, but I will duplicate. So we'll pretend that it's colored. I can just fire on a color there right quick. I would color the windows different colors, but for right now, everything is red. Fell in a bucket of red paint. So that's half a car. To get the whole car, I would select all and duplicate using the move tool. Hold control, click the end point, not some random point. Drag out, keep it on the green axis. This is wrong, green is correct. With it still selected, you right click, choose flip along, and then green. Then grab this end point, not some random point, the end point, and snap it together. Next step would be the wheels. And that's the next video.